Welcome back to another video with your boy Carl's Garage, and I am here looking for something really small, some trim, that little piece right there. I'm looking for the trim for my Chevy Impala rebuild. If you notice in the last video, I removed all of the glue, took off all the stickers on the car, and then now I thought that this piece right here, wasn't able to be put back because it was like, I thought it was paint, but it's actually just glue right here. So I can actually put these back, and that's what I'm here to do, to kind of make the car look back to normal, because right now it's looking really crazy. It's got the vinyl on the side, and I don't like that look. So I like the fact that it's debadged and everything, but I'm here at LKQ Pick-A-Part in Houston, and this place they said they have a bunch of white ones. I didn't really like the trim on that one because it was a little beat up. I'm gonna see what other Impalas that they have. Yeah, they have another Impala right here, but I want a white one. I don't want to have to pick or paint. This is an old Impala, so this year model isn't for me. But I figured I'd just make this little quick video. So if you guys need anything, definitely come to LKQ to pick it. I got my pick tools right here. What's pretty cool is that they print you out a list, and it'll tell you where your specific car is. So in fact, if I'm not mistaken, white Impala is at row 63 space 1. So this is row 88. Even though they had a white Impala up there, it didn't look in the best condition. So if you want to look at your row, you can just see row 87, 86. So I'm going down in rows, and I need to get to row 63 with row 85. So yeah, it's a pretty decent walk. But again, they do have these cars kind of scattered in between, but I'm looking for a specific white one. I seen one online and it was in really good condition. Yeah, see, there's another Chevy Impala. Here's another Chevy Impala right here in front of me, but it's not white. So I don't think this has any, yeah, this actually has the older engine. So this might be like a 09. Oh wow, this one has the V8. Oh yeah, there it is. Yeah, the infamous V8 in the, is this an SS? No, that's not a V8. I'm tripping, that's not a V8. I thought it was, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, that's not a V8, that's the 6, I'm tripping. But yeah, this is an older model. The side trim off of this won't fit my car. This one will, this one's actually perfect, but I want one that's white, and they do have it. Let's see if they have any different dashes. No, everything in there is the same. But yeah, LKQ, this place is amazing. Now, if you don't know, in the last videos, I've gotten everything from places that take the pieces off for you. But I went there first, and they told me that they didn't have it, even though on their website, I went to a place, their website was like, yeah, we have a white Chevy and it looked perfect. We have a white Chevy, but when I got there, they told me they didn't have it. Oh, the infamous Optima Hybrid. The infamous Optima Hybrid. I'm gonna take a picture of that. Yeah, everybody knows about that thing. Look, the motor's definitely out of there. Oh, wow, they got the motor in there. Oh, I thought the motor was gonna be taken out. These motors are bad anyway. That's probably how this car ended up coming here. So if you need any parts for an Optima, definitely come to LKQ Pick-A-Part. They should definitely have it. What row are we in? 79, we need to get to 63. See, there's another Chevy Impala down there. That's the reason why I really like the car as far as a rebuild, because there's a lot of, the parts for it are everywhere. So I don't have to worry about finding parts even in the color, because it was originally black, and I actually don't see a lot of all black Impalas. I see a lot of white ones. So I'm glad that I got painted white because it's easier to get the parts, but black is a little easier color to match if I had to paint the other part. I like those wheels. Those are SS wheels, a little small. What size are those? What size, 17s? Yeah, those are some nice wheels. Do they got all 4? Oh, hell yeah, they got all 4. Yep, some nice wheels. I don't like chrome, but those are nice wheels. I would definitely put those on the, I don't know if the load is different, but let's see. Almost at 63. Here's row 67. Oh, this is it. Row 67. Oh, row 63. This is it. Let's see. Ooh, this side is perfect. This side is and I actually need the mirror too, but I don't know how much they are. Oh, it's just got a little bit of scuff. Oh no, that's rubbing right off. That's rubbing. Yeah, I might be able to buff that out. Okay, so this right here is definitely a candidate. I like this mirror because my side mirror is cracked, but this one's a candidate. And they're charging like 40 bucks a pop. I don't know how much they're gonna charge me here. I don't know how much they're gonna charge me here, but they online, brand new. I haven't seen these parts used online. I've only seen them brand new, and they're asking like 80, 90 bucks. So I'm gonna see how much they sell me the door one for. I'm hoping it's around like 30, because then I might take the rest and sell those. Even the guy on Facebook Marketplace. Ooh, I need that wing over there. I need that wing. I like that wing. I've always liked that look. But yeah, the guy online on Facebook tried to charge me. He was telling me 40. Oh, row 63 right here. So this is it. So yeah, the guy online tried to charge me 30. No, 40. He wanted 40. I'm like, damn, I wonder if I can get him for lower than that. Can I make a little bit of a profit? What is that, a BMW? Yeah, you got the Cadillac, PT Cruiser. There is a red one. Impala right there. That the baby? Oh, yep, that's it. I can see it. So let's go. This is the white one. So we're Space 7, 63. Is this Space 7? It should have a sticker on it. I like how they got everything scanned, like for the headlights. Oh yeah, this one's good. The fender. So they got a sticker on everything. They actually don't have a sticker on this. Is this the one? Oh wow, yeah, you can just scan it and it'll tell you. Well, it doesn't say the Space, but I'm just gonna assume this one's it, because this actually is in really good condition. And like I said, the one I saw online was in really good condition, and this is it. I have all three, so my car came with all three in the back trunk when I was doing everything, but it didn't come with this one, so I'm about to take it off. Can we get inside? See if there's any interior pieces I need. No, and this one's a little older because my gear shift is in the center. So this is perfect. And again, these are just stick. So if you don't know, it's just glue. And I'm glad that it's hot out here, so the glue won't be so hard. That's all that it is. Yeah, this is a little older one because my motor looks way different than that. Let's see, just check to see if there's anything else before I peel this one off. I don't see anything else. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna start taking it off right now. I got my plastic remove tools. And I know that there's only 2 little pins, but the rest is all double-sided glue. And it's like a pin here and a pin here. So be very careful at the ends because you don't want to snap it. Put it in there. Then I'm gonna use this to kind of run along and cut the glue. Just take your time, just shove it in there. And once you get to the pin, I think I just did right there, yeah. There's a pin right here. Use this to keep the leverage on there because you do not want to snap this. Be careful. Cut that glue as much as you can, because if you're trying to pull, it will crease and you'll end up cutting it. You'll end up breaking it. It's a little tough. I got a long ways to go, but I'm almost there. Almost there, almost there. Okay, that's it. Got it off. This is the piece that I needed. Super easy. This one has 3. The one I have only has 2, but maybe they chopped off the middle one, but there's one here, one here, one here. And see, this right here, this is how my car looks. So I have all 3. I have the 2 back. I just need the front, the one that goes from big to small. So I'm gonna go ahead and see how much this costs. All right, I don't know if I can film or not, but I'm gonna go pay for this and I'll let you guys know how much it costs, but they also got batteries and all types of other stuff here. I might come here and get my tires because I know they got tires for like 25, 30 bucks a pop. All right, guys, so that's it. It was only $17. So I'm so glad that I came here and picked it. Why every time I park by myself, somebody decides to park right next to me? That doesn't make sense. Why do all the places would you park right next to me? Anyway, so yeah, this thing was only 17 bucks. So I'm so glad I took the trip out here to come pick it myself, because again, everywhere else was trying to charge like 40, 50, 60 bucks online. So what this let me know is that people are probably coming here, come on, unlock. People are probably coming here, picking them off and selling them for 40 and buying them for 17, which is a crazy markup. Like, to me, that's worth it. I'll come out here and pick all 4 of them for way cheap. And then let me show you guys the receipt. And it comes with a warranty, which is really funny, but look, $17.31. Can't beat that. Cannot beat that for that piece. Again, I thought I was gonna end up spending like 40, 50 bucks. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Carl's Garage again. I'm here at LKQ, and I will definitely be coming here to pick a few more parts. I got the price for the side mirror. Manual is like 26, and then electric is like 40 something. So that's really good, because online those things are going for like 70, 80 bucks. I'm gonna price to see how they are on Amazon, because remember, I got one for when I had the Optima, I got one for that car, and it was like 40 bucks on Amazon. So I am gonna check for brand new on Amazon, but if not, I can just come right here, pick it off. It's already painted white, slap it on, good to go. So it's cool to know that LKQ is still the king of pickle parts and getting whatever you need for very cheap. It did take me like 5 minutes to take it off. I did have to walk and stuff like that, but it was definitely worth the $17 price. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Stay tuned for the next video, and make sure you go watch all the other content. And please hit that like button, because it really helps the channel as I try to grow Carl's Garage and help you guys out. Be basic. Peace. Thank you guys for watching that video. Truly appreciate it. And don't forget to head on over to flashcustomtransfers.com/apparel and get our brand new Kia Sucks t-shirts. Yes, I actually created these t-shirts with my company, Flash Custom Transfers. I designed these myself. I just got them putting them on the website, so you can head on over to flashcustomtransfers.com and get you a Kia Sucks t-shirt, in boys and in girls. So get one for your wife, get one for your sister, get one for your nephew, get one for your brother. And definitely let's help spread the word. These t-shirts will help me continue to make videos and actually make higher quality videos and get more information out there about how bad these Kias are and how much, heartache they're causing people and all types of other situations. So again, thank you for watching the video, and make sure you head on over to flashcustomtransfers.com/apparel, or just head on over to the main website, hit more, click apparel, and get you a new Kia Sucks t-shirt. Thank you guys very much. Stay tuned for the next video.